Boruto Naruto's next generation latest chapter has debuted a brand new form of the Naruto, one that could be his last. The 7th Hokage has to abandon all restraints with the power he wields through the Nine Tails in order to stand against Ishiki Otsutsuki. Kurama warned Naruto that this new form would be a one-way ticket. Once manifested, it will kill off Naruto. In Boruto chapter 52, Naruto gets to put his new Baryon mode to the test against Ishiki. With the spectacular results, at the same time Kurama further educates Naruto on what and how Baryon mode is different than the Sage and Kurama mode. As Kurama tries to explain to Naruto, Baryon is just like the sun's nuclear fusion process. Yes, the Nine-Tail knows astrophysics. The new forms takes Naruto and Nine-Tails chakra and uses them as kernels to produce an immensely powerful energy reaction. The Nine-Tail further explains Naruto that Baron's process is distinctly different from Naruto's previous Sage of Six Path mode or Kurama mode achievements, from the very root of it. Thus forms involves taking chakra that you acquire from elsewhere and just using it, while Baryon mode is a totally different beast. Indeed, there is a fatal cost on Naruto's new form because Baryon mode quickly consumes its own fuel source as the raw material to create this energy. Kurama explains, "My chakra and yours get consumed until one or both of our lives run out. But the benefit of this form is hitting Ishiki also burns off his chakra, shortening the villain's lifespan by crucial minutes." One of the defining characteristics of the Nine Tails has always been the beast's phenomenal reserve of chakra and ability to collect more, hence why it is the most fearsome of the tailed beasts. The idea that Kurama was hiding this kind of power is no big surprise. What may be more surprising is that the best apparently cares for the Naruto enough to never put it on the table before this last, desperately gamble to win. So is this how Naruto will die? It seems like the fight is epic enough and the stakes big enough. If Naruto feels Ishiki has the power to kill Sasuke and complete his plan to feed Boruto and the Momoshiki Otsutsuki essence inside of him to the Ten-Tail to create the Divine Tree. Things are admittedly looking pretty bad right now. Ishiki managed to locate and transport Kawaki, his intended vessel, onto the battlefield. Now Ishiki can achieve full resurrection and avoid his death, which is only minutes away. Naruto may not have the kind of time anymore, but the manga is really getting interesting. If you don't read the Boruto manga, you should do it right now because it is of course better than anime. And of course I am not judging or comparing anime and the manga. They are putting fillers in the anime because they need to keep the specific distance between the manga chapters and anime episodes. So that's why they keep filler all along the anime. But if you are interested in what is going to happen in the Boruto, you should read the manga. And that was the video for today, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment down below what do you think, is Naruto going to die and what is going to happen between the Momoshiki and Naruto fight. What are your opinions and views? Let me know those opinions in the comment section down below. Subscribe to my YouTube channel because I post daily anime content about top 10 top 5 listings, anime reviews, recommendations and all sort of anime content on daily basis. So if you enjoyed, please subscribe, and that was it, and I will see you in the next one. Sayonara.